Welcome to the top best. The best Yeamon Face Massager is probably one of the most sought-after skincare tools right now, promising a sculpted, radiant complexion with its innovative technology, and in this video, we're diving deep to see if this popular device lives up to the hype and truly delivers that coveted V-line effect and youthful glow that everyone is talking about. Number 5. Pure Daily Care NuDerma Neon Wand. Discover the Pure Daily Care NuDerma Wand, your new secret weapon for a youthful glow. This advanced device uses neon technology to revitalize your complexion. Say goodbye to fine lines and wrinkles. Our therapy wand works to visibly reduce signs of aging, promoting a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience a noticeable lift and improved skin elasticity. It helps to tighten sagging areas, giving you a more sculpted look. Tired eyes are a thing of the past. This wand effectively targets dark circles, revealing a brighter, more refreshed under-eye area. Achieve clearer, blemish-free skin. It aids in clarifying pores and reducing imperfections for a smoother, more even skin tone. Don't forget your scalp. This versatile tool also stimulates hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth from the root. What we like. This device offers advanced neon and argon technology for targeted skin concerns. It comes with multiple attachments for versatile use. If you're looking for a comprehensive treatment that goes beyond just the face, including hair and scalp stimulation, this is a great option. What people say. The Yeamon Face Massager has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand. It features multiple modes and intensity levels, allowing for a customized massage experience. The device heats up quickly and effectively, providing a soothing and relaxing sensation. Number 4. Amirce Golden 3D Electric Face Massager Kit. Unlock a more radiant complexion with this innovative facial massager. Its unique design gently contours to your face, promoting a revitalized look. Featuring advanced 3D roller technology, it provides a soothing massage experience. Feel the tension melt away as it works to enhance your skin's natural glow. Achieve a sculpted appearance with ease. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making your daily skincare routine more effective and enjoyable. Indulge in a luxurious skincare ritual. The elegant golden finish adds a touch of sophistication to your beauty collection, promising a premium experience. This versatile kit is designed to revitalize your skin. Incorporate it into your routine for a firmer, smoother, and more youthful-looking appearance. Enjoy a simple yet highly effective way to care for your skin. Its intuitive design makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. What we like. Experience a unique facial massage with its 3D roller and T-shaped design. The golden aesthetic adds a touch of luxury to your routine. If you enjoy a manual style massage with added electric vibration and are drawn to elegant tools, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Yeamon Face Massager has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand. It features multiple intensity levels and modes, allowing for a customized massage experience. The device heats up to a pleasant temperature, which helps to relax facial muscles and improve blood circulation. Number 3. Beauty Bar 24K Golden Pulse Facial Massager. Introducing the Beauty Bar 24K Golden Pulse Facial Massager. Achieve a firmer, lifted look with its unique T-shaped design. Specially designed for sensitive skin, this massager provides a gentle yet effective way to enhance your skin's natural glow. Its electric pulse technology works to tighten and firm your facial contours, revealing a more youthful appearance. Experience a noticeable lift and improved firmness with regular use of this innovative facial tool. Rediscover your skin's vitality and achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. What we like. Enjoy the benefits of 24K Golden Pulse technology combined with a T-shaped design. It's specifically designed for sensitive skin. If you have delicate skin and are seeking a gentle yet effective tool for lifting and firming, this massager is an excellent choice. What people say. The Yeamon Face Massager has a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and use. It features multiple intensity levels and modes, allowing for a customized massage experience. The device is lightweight and portable, perfect for use at home or while traveling. Number 2. DANGSHAN 2-in-1 Electric Face Massager. Introducing the DANGSHAN 2-in-1 Electric Face Massager, your new secret weapon for a glowing complexion. Achieve a youthful radiance with this innovative skincare tool. This versatile massager features both a 3D roller and a T-shape head, offering a comprehensive facial massage experience. Enjoy targeted treatment for various skin concerns. Infused with the luxury of 24K gold, this device gently glides over your skin. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty and promote a smoother, firmer look. Incorporate this massager into your daily routine for visible results. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, transforming your skincare ritual into a spa-like treatment. Rediscover your skin's vitality and achieve a more sculpted appearance. This kit is essential for anyone seeking to elevate their at-home skincare. Trust DANGSHAN to bring you cutting-edge beauty solutions. Invest in your skin and experience the difference this advanced massager can make. What we like. This offers a dual experience with both a 3D roller and a T-shape head. It's a versatile 2-in-1 electric facial massager. If you want the flexibility to switch between different massage techniques and enjoy a complete facial massage kit, this is a practical pick. What people say. The Yeamon Face Massager has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand. It features multiple modes for different skincare needs, including a gentle cleansing mode and a lifting mode. The device utilizes sonic vibrations to enhance product absorption and promote circulation. Number 1. VRAIKO Lily Neck Face Massager. Discover the VRAIKO Lily, your new secret weapon for a sculpted and rejuvenated appearance. This advanced device is designed to elevate your skincare routine. Experience the power of triple action LED and gentle vibration. It works to revitalize your skin, promoting a more youthful look. The integrated thermal feature helps to lift and tighten sagging skin. Achieve a firmer, more radiant complexion with consistent use. This tool is specifically designed for anti-aging benefits. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, helping you achieve smoother, younger-looking skin. Sculpt your face and neck with ease. Its ergonomic design makes it simple to target key areas for a defined and toned appearance. Enjoy this luxurious skincare experience with its elegant pearl white finish. It's a beautiful addition to your beauty collection. What we like. This device is specifically designed for both neck and face rejuvenation. It features thermal therapy and triple action LED lights. If you're concerned about sagging skin on your neck and face and are looking for a device that combines multiple anti-aging technologies for lifting and tightening, consider this. What people say. The Yeamon Face Massager has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand. It features multiple modes, including a gentle warming function that enhances relaxation and product absorption. The device is rechargeable via USB, making it convenient for travel and daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.